Welcome to today's video. I'm Gary, your trusted local New York City real estate agent, and today we're going to dive into an essential topic for both buyers and sellers, and it is about property condition disclosures. So whether you're buying or selling your home, understanding property condition disclosure is essential. So let's break it down. First things first, what are property condition disclosures? Well, they're documents that sellers are required to provide to potential buyers. This disclosure contains 48 questions of physical condition about the property, with an added 7 for flood-related information and details for any known issues or defects within the property. Sellers have the option to select 4 different choices: yes, no, unknown, or not applicable. And as a buyer, you should be receiving these disclosures during the period of submitting your offer and before signing the contract. From structural damage to water damage, these disclosures give buyers the comprehensive understanding of the property's condition. And as a buyer, it's essential to review these documents carefully. They can help you make more informed decisions and avoid unexpected surprises down the road. But let's stop right there and review the recent adjustment to the Property Condition Disclosure Act that actually made this possible. For the Property Condition Disclosure Act, it was signed into law in November 13, 2001 and went into effect on March 1st of 2002. This was a change from the original idea of let the buyer beware to sellers disclose everything. But with this new act of 2002, there was a clause that essentially allowed sellers to provide $500 credit at closing instead of providing this disclosure. As a buyer, you must be thinking, that law basically didn't do anything as a result. That $500 was essentially the cost it would take to get a normal house inspection. But you're in luck. As of September 22, 2023, Governor Hochul has signed into law a change to this Property Condition Disclosure Act that removes that $500 credit at closing clause. And this law officially went into effect as of March 20th, 2024. If you signed the contract already or bought your house before this date, I'm not sure if you're able to do anything about it. If you still haven't yet, you are in luck. You could ask the sellers to provide you with this information before you actually go through and sign that contract. If you want to see the actual disclosure form and what to expect from the seller, you should just search on Google for a property condition disclosure statement, which should be from a New York Gov website. It is about 7 pages long. Quick tip, I still recommend doing a home inspection, even with this information, as sometimes the seller might not be aware of certain things. And the second quick tip from this is you should really keep these disclosure statements if you have purchased this property starting from March 20th of 2024 and use it as a reference later down the line for when you sell the property yourself. Take detailed notes of any change you make to the house, as it can impact the things on the property condition statement and will keep you safeguarded in the future. So let's jump to the sellers. What does this mean for you? So from the seller's perspective, this is unfortunately bad news for you. You will need to provide more accurate and thorough disclosures with sufficient proof of statements, which you should save for yourself should things happen down the road. This not only builds trust with the buyers, but also prevents you from any future liabilities. It's crucial for sellers to be transparent about any known issues, as not disclosing these problems can lead to legal issues and jeopardize the sale. You as a seller will be filling in the information to the best of your knowledge. Unfortunately, your agent and attorney will not be able to provide any assistance as they don't understand the physical condition of your house as well as you do. So, quick tip, if you do have an agent, you can ask them to scan it for you such that if any offer does come in, you can provide an electronic copy instead of writing multiple forms and handing these in person. And the second quick tip is for the items you have stated, you need to be sure you get that information and keep it on record should any future situation arise. This means during the time frame from when you purchase the house to when you sell the house, you should keep detailed notes of any activities you have done to work on the property. And for the homeowners who have purchased the property years ago or lived in an older house, do the things to the best of your knowledge and double check the information that you do disclose. If you decide to put unknown for all the options, it will cause a lot of the buyers to be a little hesitant about the actual condition of your house. So do things honestly and try to really provide the best information to the buyer so both sides are happy at the closing table. You'll probably have a little more price negotiation as a result of this new law. Consider this as a more of an expectation and really letting you know what you can expect from future transactions down the road. So whether you're buying or selling, property conditions disclosure play that vital role in the real estate transaction process. And as a real estate agent, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. I have attached some information on the new bill and more details about the disclosure down below. So this is a quick video. Thank you so much for tuning in and hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Until next time, happy house hunting.